welcome to another episode of Kale Yes. I'm Ashley Peters, dietitian at McKinley Health Center. Today, we're talking fruits. So, let's get into fruit preparation. I picked some fruits today that students often tell me they have the hardest time cutting. So, we'll go through how to cut a pineapple, watermelon, mango, and even a peach. So, when cutting a pineapple, I first chop off the top and then the bottom. And then I just go ahead and cut the pineapple in half. And then I quarter it. So I'm left with a little triangle here. You want to make sure to take this core out. And then I just cut off the skin. And then slice. There you have it. So now I hope you go out and purchase a pineapple and know how to properly cut into the pineapple and enjoy. Alright, so next I'm going to show you guys how to cut a watermelon. One of the ways I learned just last week, and now I'm obsessed with it, so I'm cutting all my watermelon like this. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this watermelon in half. I just start making slices down, and now cut it in the other direction. Alright, there you have it. And then you have these awesome watermelon strips. The second way to cut a watermelon really doesn't involve any cutting at all. I just take my spoon and piece out the watermelon like so. Alright, there you have it. Watermelon, two ways. The next fruit we're going to be cutting is a mango. There's a really hard rind in the middle, so you're not going to be able to just cut through half the mango. You want to cut off to the side. And then you just want to use the side of a cup, and boom, you got the skin off. Awesome, there you have it, fresh mango. Alright, next thing on the list is a peach. Now, I don't normally cut peaches. I normally just eat them whole and eat them with the skin, but some people don't like the skin on the outside. So let's go ahead and cut this peach open. So the thing with the peach is that there is a big pit in the middle, right? So we just go through and cut the peach around the pit, cut it in half, and then just like with the mango, there you have it. Alright, and peach. So, there you have it. All these different fruits that people tell me they typically don't know how to cut, and the fastest ways to be able to cut them. So, let's start now preparing some smoothies with all this stuff. One is going to be a citrus smoothie, and the other one is going to be a peanut butter banana smoothie. So, let's go ahead and get started building this smoothie. I have a half of a cup of pineapple, half of a cup of mango, half of a cup of Greek yogurt, just a handful of spinach, about 2 handfuls of spinach. This is liquid, it's half pineapple juice from a can and half water, a cup of ice, and just about a tablespoon of honey. Alright, there you have it. So there's even enough to bring to a friend or store in the freezer for later. Okay, so the next smoothie that we're making is a peanut butter banana smoothie. So, first thing is you're going to put in your banana and half of a cup of Greek yogurt, big old scoop of peanut butter, 2 cups of ice, and about a tablespoon of honey. Alright, enjoy! Alright, so there you have it, fruit multiple ways. I hope this increases your fruit consumption. If you're looking for more information on cooking, you can visit Campus Rec's website under Nutrition Instructional Kitchen, or you can sign up to take a class. Also, check out McKinley's website or Wellness app, where there's a handout posted on seasonal fruits and vegetables. So, keep following us and stay tuned on McKinley's YouTube channel.